In this video, I am going to show you how to edit WordPress website in Hostinger. So let's see how we can do it. So to edit our website in Hostinger, at first we need to log into our Hostinger Hpanel. Visit hostinger.com and then from the top just click on login. Now enter your Hostinger username and password, and after that just click on login. So this will take us to the Hpanel of our Hostinger account. And now from the top menu we are going to click on websites, and here you will see all the websites that you have created on your Hostinger account. Now here you will see a edit website button, just click on it, and in this way you will be redirected to your WordPress website dashboard. Now let's say you want to edit any post on your WordPress website. So from the left menu just click on post and then click on all posts. Now click on edit post, and now from here you can easily add new elements to your post, and after that just click on update button, and in this way your post will be updated. Now let's say you want to make any changes in your WordPress website pages. Just go back to WordPress website dashboard, just click on pages and all pages. Now if your website is built using Elementor, just hover over any page and then click on edit with Elementor. And now from here you can easily change the text or do other settings for your page, and after that just click on update button, and in this way your page will be updated. Now if you want to install new plugins on your WordPress website, just go back to WordPress website dashboard, click on plugins and then click on add new. Now search for the plugin that you want to install on your WordPress website, and after that just click on install now, and once the plugin is installed just click on activate, and in this way your plugin will be installed and activated. And now if you want to install themes on your WordPress website, from the left menu just click on appearance and then click on themes. Now from the top just click on add new, and now if you want to search for a theme you can enter your text here and you can search for it, or if you want to install any other theme from here just hover over it and then click on install, and in this way your theme will be installed on your WordPress website. And if you want to do any other settings for your WordPress website, from the left menu just click on settings, and here you will see multiple settings for your WordPress website. So this is how you can edit your WordPress website in Hostinger. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.